Hello, today we introduce for you our group project in iOS development. We are group 24 and with the lecture name Tâm Huỳnh, and our team name is 2ez4us with location at Saigon campus. And our team name member is Võ Cái Minh, Trần Tấn Kiệt, Trần Huy Khánh, is me, and Lương Gia Bảo. And our group project logo, it take the idea from the Instagram with the name is Johnny Hub. Now we talk about the main feature. My part is user management and customization. In this part, we have sign up and sign in. About the logic about the sign up and sign in, this is similar, but we have some the different in here. Last when we are signing, we need to have the email, password, and username. And when we sign in with the five-way authentication, and we met the function to create the new account, and then this function they have responsibility to create an account for the user with the using five-way authentication, and all information of user will store in the five-way. And when we go to sign in, and in this view we just only type the email and the password that's have that we have sign in yes. And when we sign in the and then the box will display for the user who have registered successful. And when we sign in successful, we can see the current user profile. And in this current user profile, at first one, if you is a new user, we you can see your username that we have registration in the register view. We display in here, and then we click on the edit profile, and in the view we have the change profile picture, and we have the type full name and bio, and you can type your full name, or we can create the your bio, and we can search change. And all the process we only use to the Facebook to store the all data when you are using. And in this current real your profile, I have the follower and following. Like this is the user profile. This is like another another user that have the button follow or unfollow. That's when you follow or unfollow someone, and the number of follower of following in your current profile will display exactly uh, with the user that you unfollow or following.
Hi, my name is Kik, and now I will talk about the post management and the customization. So first, I will present you about the structure of a post. So for a post, it have a caption, a category, comments count, and image URL, which will store in the storage of the file base, the latitude and the longitude of the post, which we will use in the map view, the timestamp, and lastly is the user ID and username of the post owner. So here you can see that on the left hand side is the homepage which will contain all the posts of all users. You can see that there's a user image, username, and the coffee tag, which will show the user that which category that the post was in. There's the post image and captions. Below is the two button. If the user like interesting in the post, they can click on the like button, and if they want to comment on the post, they can click on comment, which will lead to the right hand side image. This is the post. This is the comment view. Here, user can write what they think and display on below. So, for a comment, the comment structure include the comment ID, the post ID which the comments were in, and the text of the comment, timestamp, and lastly is the user ID and username of the comment owner. Next, I will talk about the search and filter function in our app. On the left-hand side image is the search view, which display all the user accounts. Here, you can see that there's 4 user accounts in our app. If the user want to find other user, they can type in their name on the search bar to filter out the list. And if they want to view the information of each user, they can click on each row, which will lead to the right hand side image. Here in the right hand side image, we can see that there's a user profile picture, user full name, username, number of followers, and the number of accounts that they are following. Lastly is the follow and unfollow button. So if a user interested in other user profile, they can click on follow and vice versa.
Intensive CRUD operation for dynamic database interaction. In our project, we have implemented the CRUD operation, which are crucial for effective data management within the app. We also have distinct components such as vModel, services, and each designed to manage different aspects of the application. For example, post service is responsible for managing posts, allows users to create, read, and update or delete posts, while user service handle the user information in a similar fashion. We also have common service and image uploader to manage the common and image respectively. This ensuring the seamless interaction and smooth user experience allows users to manipulate and interact with the various elements and data within the application efficiently. Moving on to the architecture backbone of our iOS project, which is the MVVM design pattern. The user interact with the home view and login view in our project. They render the user interface and capture the user interaction and display the view model data, and the login view receive login credentials from the user and send them to the login view model. Our program relies on view models like home view model and login view model. They manage the logic and the state between views and models. They process view and user interact and retrieve and update data from the model or services to update view, login view model, authenticate and manage login state using the user service model like post service, user service, make up for our application data layer. They communicate with the attention service like Firebase and manage and synchronize the application data and notify the view model of changes, maintain the data integrity and availability.
So I'll be talking about the advanced functionalities. So the first one here is the dark mode. As you can see in here, there are two types of settings, the light and the dark mode, which is toggled inside the settings of the application. And this applies for all of the views. And by toggling it, we change the global variable and in turn change the view that is displayed throughout the application. The next one here is the map view and either location. So this features allows you to view all the posts in its location inside the map. And as you can see here, you can also decide if you want to display your own location. And when you tap on the post will appear as a new view. And to enhance on that, when you create a post, you can choose your location by tapping on the picker button and type your desired location of the post. And see, as you can see, if you type Ho Chi Minh, it will display Ho Chi Minh City, and you can select it, and it will be updated accordingly. And that's all for the advanced functionalities. Thank you.